Hi guys, it's Soviet transport with another transport video, and this is bus number 77. I don't know why I'm filming this, but this is a metro station review. Oh,
And
now right now the video with 9 to 9 9 to 9 is uploading on YouTube, so it's in the same day that it's filmed. Just later I already met my friend. A въздуха ли?
Не пич напред, науката е слънце.
Yeah, we are with my friend, the main bro in my channel, and we're going to make the view
Ram.
Vardar metro station. It's a bit of bad looking. There is map. There's supposed to be map right here, but metro map right here, but there aren't.
Само си извадя карта.
Interesting system. So yeah, there are a lot of exits on this metro station. This is neighborhood Linden exit that we are
Bus.
7
One
to
bus
7.
77 to Tento railway station.
Yeah, this fourth exit. There is another exit right there. This is the emergency door hermetic, and those are the extra. And yep, this is the metro station. It's a small metro station, so yeah. Okay. There is an ATM. There is a ticket machine. It's
Да не забравиш банкомата.
снимах го.
Банкомата.
Да, бе, снимах го.
Има на английски.
And there's another one. There's some ads around here. Yep. This is some.
Я да кажем къде точно е трамвайната спирка.
This is the metro lines map, and this is the cash register, information for passengers. This is the entrances, and I'm going to use. Those are some classic ones like this. There is an elevator. This is there is one. This is the business park. This is 81 740 2B point 2B second modification from Sofia on the Rusic train. There is an elevator, and това е за Sливница. This train to Sливница. One train to Sливniца, and there are. This is some exits. These are the yellow lights. And this is another one Rusic train. I think it's. No, so the cinema starts. It's the B modification again. Mars Central. Those are the next stations. Wow.
Следваща станция.
Those are the thematic doors. And yeah, this. Yeah, it's an interesting station. There is one of
Let's
those.
go.
There is a TV that's not working. Just Sofia Public Transport Map. Oh nee, faccio le fanzo, copyright tocca.
On the tram stop. The tram stop.
This is the timetable. Sotto il cielo, ta muzica secondo me fanzo copyright. Отново. Къде да знам дали тази песен е?
Да, отново е Каляне. Което беше тъпоте.
Той е идиот, него са го страхнали заради мене сега. Значи силно. Че май не е бил той. So, in today's video we are going to do 2 meters. This is broken. And broken. This is the fire hydrant. This is one working TV with the time, with the weather. And this is the end of the platform here. And we're just going to wait the train for the other station. There is the green white seat.
Една минута.
Okay, what train are we going to catch? Негативно за Русич, според мене. Русич. There is another one, Rusich, with Hitachi engines. Rusich. 2B. Rusich 2B. What the fuck, bro? We're here. Okay. This is a very cool train. Made in 2008. Made in 2000. This train is made 2012. You can see them. And there is another one of this train.
Бях тук към победата ще има. И автоматно съм стотек.
Аз защо никога не гледам такива предания.
Съм си забрал.
And this is the other station for today's video.
Само вие на къде сте.
Two Rusich. There is another station. Да отгледаме и тази станция. There is a Rusich lot. Pink like the ones in the vardar. There is Alexander Stambolийски булевард, the Petkov Boulevard.
Димитър Петков.
This is the stations. There is another one of those terminal for...
Има ли нещо интересно за тази станция?
Не мисля. Освен, че телевизорите работят. The TVs are working on this station. It's different. It's like red. Little bit broken.
Това много прилича на Вардър, нали?
It's with interesting, but there is this TV, this map, this thing library, something that misty. Okay, there is map legend like I feel it on the stations. There is an like this station. The other one has one elevator, but the one that you have to press at all time. But this, there is, that's nothing, and it actually has for the elevator. There is a blue for the elevator. That's not sure for the station. There is just elevator, but no modern elevator here.
О, то е нов.
And yeah, this will be for today. Bye 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 bye.